What's up, guys? I am so excited to show you the new 2021 Forest River Sabre fifth wheel. This is the 38 DBQ. A lot of people lately have been calling asking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom fifth wheel. Well, it's here. They did a beautiful job with the front fiberglass cap, the aggressive LED bright lights, standard with the generator. It's a monster. Power automatic leveling jacks, huge power awning, pass-through storage. Let me turn this for you here. Pass-through storage, not one door, but 2 entrance points. If you do not want somebody entering your coach, but they need to use the restroom, you don't want them to walk through with dirty shoes, whether it be kids, neighbors, strangers, whatever it may be, they can go into the bathroom and still be isolated from the rest of your coach. So they can run in, run out, no mess involved. Also, you're gonna notice the outside kitchen is massive. I mean, check that out. You're gonna have your huge refrigerator, your sink, power, cabinets, and you also have your propane quick connect. So you throw your grill out here, you don't have to lug around another propane tank, just hook up, plug and play. Most trailers are going to come with the backup camera prep. This is installed with a backup camera, so you don't have to go and get it installed. It's already on there. What I really like about Sabre is that they're going to have most features standard rather than optioned. Once again, this is the Forest River Sabre fifth wheel, 38 DBQ. Now let's go on in. High-end Michael K collection furniture. The theater seating is going to be including the heated massaging chairs. They also recline out, and they have a reading light above you. Free-stable table and chairs. And then you have the middle island here where Mom will do the cooking. Beautiful floors, fixtures, high ceilings. You're gonna have the ceiling fan here in the living room, and also the farm-style doors. As you go through, you're gonna have a huge bunk room. Kids can play, they all have their own spot to sleep. A drop-down bunk here. Sofa that turns into a sleeping arrangement as well. And those barn-style farmhouse doors. As you get back here, you will have your own bathroom and shower. It's gonna be 2 full bath, medicine cabinet, toilet, sink. A lot of people are looking for 2 bedrooms. Not just the bunks with a curtain, but they're looking for 2 bedrooms. And this is it. Parents can have their front, shut the door, and the children will still have their own area to sleep and not bother them. Residential fridge, stove, oven, microwave. Master bedroom. You will have a slide in here, so you're going to extend that living space in here. Double farmhouse doors that'll enter into your closet. Ton of closet space. And the master bath. You have a huge, huge residential size stand-up shower. More cabinets. Another toilet. And your beautiful vanity with your medicine cabinet. Now I want to give you a view from the upstairs looking down. And if you're sitting in the recliners, you'll have your big screen TV with the fireplace and just beautiful cabinetry with the glass windows there. That is the Forest River Sabre 38 DBQ. She's a beast. Thanks, guys.